Welcome to my channel, where we uncover the secrets of the wealthy and successful. Today, I'm going to reveal the 9 strategies that rich people use to multiply their wealth. Strategy 1. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning and personal development are key to achieving financial success. Rich individuals are constantly seeking knowledge and honing their skills to stay ahead of the game. Strategy 2. Diversify your investments. Rich people understand the importance of spreading their wealth across different assets to minimize risk and maximize returns. Strategy 3. Surround yourself with successful people. Networking with like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities and valuable connections that can help you grow your wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Strategy 4. Real estate investment. Rich individuals know that real estate can be a lucrative investment opportunity, providing a steady stream of passive income and long-term wealth accumulation. Strategy 5. Giving back. Rich people understand the importance of philanthropy and giving back to the community. By helping those in need, they not only make a positive impact but also attract more abundance into their lives. Strategy 6. Think big and take risks. Rich individuals are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones and take calculated risks to achieve their financial goals. Fortune favors the bold. Strategy 7. Enjoy the journey. Wealth is not just about money, it's about living a fulfilling and abundant life. Rich people know how to enjoy the fruits of their labor and appreciate the beauty of the world around them. Strategy 8. Embrace innovation. Rich individuals are always on the lookout for new technologies and innovations that can revolutionize industries and create new opportunities for wealth creation. Strategy 9. Practice gratitude. Rich people understand the power of gratitude in attracting more abundance into their lives. By appreciating what they have, they attract even more blessings and opportunities for growth. So there you have it, the 9 strategies that rich people use to multiply their wealth. Are you ready to step into your power and create the life of your dreams? Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to achieve financial success. Remember, wealth is within your reach.